What's cracking, YouTube? I got this fucking mask on my face. What's cracking, YouTube? You see that shit? Fucking winter storm. I'm at workflow. We are at 373274. Workflow. It's cool for now because we in the heat. We not in the elements, but look at that shit right outside. The drive home is finna suck balls. I just wanted to show y'all that we are at, turn on some light a little bit, 30,000, this 35,000 mile review video. We at 32,740. 32,740. You know what I mean? I'm gonna walk my ass back in here because I got to clock back in. 32,000 miles. We on our way to 35, baby. 35,000 mile review video coming up soon. Later.
You love it.
Alright, YouTube, man, I gotta get my tires ASAP with that one tire on the back. This was horrible. I'm not even at the house yet. Winter storm, whatever the fuck. It took me so long to get home, and I'm not even home yet. We still gotta go gas up. Gee, I'm sliding all over the interstate. It's horrible. So if you get one of these, man, and you gotta drive in this shit, park your shit, okay? Start driving my girl car to work in this. This is retarded, bro. Like, this is fucking horrible. Look at it. I can't do nothing but slide and crash in this shit. That's it. Look, see, they driving slow as fuck. They don't have no fucking choice. And they have front wheel drive. All wheel drive cars are going slow in this shit. So can you imagine what we're doing? Let me put that there. Auto parts. But yeah. Look how slow he turning. This shit ain't no joke, man. I'm at the gas station. We finna go park this bitch. That's my gas station up the street. We finna park this bitch, and that's that. I wanna let y'all know, man, this was probably the most difficult drive. Doesn't matter if it's in driving stick mode. It does not matter. Look at this. This is what it's really like driving one of these in freezing rain and shit. We supposed to be getting like 8 inches of this shit, so it's not gonna stop snowing until fucking Wednesday. It's Monday. And it just started like 2 hours ago, so we got a long way to go. McDonald's, boy. We got a long way to go, man. I made it to the gas station. Let me pull in this bitch real quick, man. I'm gonna just pull up to the pump because normally I try to go to my favorite pump, but I don't feel like doing none of that sliding shit that we gonna be doing. Alright. So yeah, if you have to drive your car in this, like me, I drove to work, it was normal. Been at work for like 9 hours. I get out and to this shit, and I park, eat, and clean, and you don't gotta worry about that crap, you know what I mean? But yeah. We made it. I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. Let me go gas the fuck up real quick. I guess I could get y'all to walk around real fast. Fucking wallet. This was horrible. This was fucking horrible. Helios in the snow, boy. Wintertime. I'ma holler at y'all, man. You see her. I can't wait for summertime, boy. Later, y'all. What's cracking, YouTube? It's your boy, man. Look, it's wintertime madness out here. This car is horrible in the wintertime. I got my pretty lady looking all good. Look where we at, man. I just wanted to give y'all a little quick update. 33350. I just missed it. 33351. We're 33,051 miles. 33,351 miles. We getting it in, man. We doing a lot of driving out here. Yo, hey, if you have another car, like when they salt, it's okay. But if you got another car that you could drive in this shit, do it. These cars wasn't made for this, man. And like last time around, I always drove after they had salted, getting caught in this shit when it's on the street. Man, yo, only thing the car do is go sideways and spin. There go my boy calling me. I'm gonna call y'all back, man. I'm gonna get up with y'all later. 3 minutes. All right, look at my girl. I'm recording. Look at her pretty ass on FaceTime. Yeah, I went with the fucking iPhone 12 Pro. I got the wrong one. I meant to get the Max. This phone is so fucking little, and I really want the S21 for recording purposes. Look where we are, ladies and G's. 33429. I'll be right back, Paris. All right. All right. Look where we at though. Wintertime madness, G. This is tough, man. Driving one of these and this shit. We got the J's on. We got the Wolves. The Wolf Grays today. They fucked up. I don't care about these. Threw these on because of the amount of salt that you walking in when it's like this, boy. I don't pull nothing nice out when it's like this because you get dirty. You get dirty. Let's get dirty. You get dirty. Let's get dirty. They still look good though. But yeah, look at this. You see how hot this is? This is the fucking snow, bro. You see my knee? This is my kneecap. Snow. So I could literally put my whole fucking leg in this shit. Man, nigga, you ain't playing no games. You see the rim? You see what I'm saying? Nigga, it got down last night, boy. It actually got down for 2 whole days. And on both days, I actually called off work. I didn't even go in because I couldn't get out the spot. I got stuck. The entire apartment building actually helped me out of my spot. Because I was stuck. So, yeah, driving these, man, I need some tires on the back. This my little tire plug ain't had what I was looking for the other day, man. So I gotta figure that out. Probably get back up there and ask them again today or tomorrow. So I get paid in 2 days. I might go in 2 days. It's not gonna snow. So we should be good. That salt get to work and when you get it dry like this, you could actually have a little fun. But when that shit not dry, it's dangerous. You know what I mean? It's dangerous as hell when it's not dry. So, yeah. Got the police right here. They can't see because of the fucking sun. The sun big as hell. So yeah, if you get one of these, man, do like my boys do. Put this bitch up, G, because you'll kill yourself driving. And when it's snowing, like we got 5 to 10 inches. If you clearly see, we got a fucking, like damn near 2 feet. But if you driving in this shit, and you like get caught while it's snowing and the salt trucks can't keep up, you're gonna have a very difficult time. In fact, you might crash your shit. Highly increased chance of you smacking the fuck up driving in this shit when it's happening. So see where we at? We at 33. We on our way to 35K, man. It's going in a 35,000 mile review video that you finna see probably whenever I'm done uploading it. I gotta get to 35K first. The snow kinda slow it down, you know what I mean? So look, we at 33 or 3429, baby. There go Miss Paris, she's not on the phone, but yeah. Just checking in. I'm waiting on Dad to come out. I'm finna call him real quick so we go on our little drive. Get this baby washed. Yeah, so if you get one, look at that. Look at all that snow, man. Crazy, right? I'm gonna holler at y'all in a little bit. Video finna cut off. Start another one. And this is part 2 with the whatever the fuck ever, you know what I mean? Because we still doing the same shit, but yeah. Get you some new tires, man. And if you have another car, use that. It's like I said, this shit ain't no joke, bro. It ain't no joke. It's dangerous out here, man. Shit dangerous as fuck. Shit ain't no joke. I spent a lot of money on my lenses. There go, Dad. I'm off today. Why? Where are your clothes? You're shaving? Ah. Nah, I just dropped off. She at the house. All right. All right. Yeah. Let's go see if they got some mail today. Because they mailman and lady get here late. Look at the sidewalk, man. Look at this shit, G. Look at this. So you can see how much motherfucking snow we got. You see that shit, boy? Let me show y'all real quick. Look. Yeah, I'm not gonna do too much because I don't want my fucking sock getting wet. That shit is cold and uncomfortable. Everybody been at the house. Niggas ain't even came out. Niggas like, fuck this shit. No mail in there. They don't have no mail today. Helios, boy. Yes, sir. 35K, here we come. New rims coming soon. Y'all know that. New tent coming soon. I'm gonna get to it. I promise. Hey, what's up, man? What's up, man? You cold? You liking the cold? What you doing out here, man? Where Al at? He in the crib. He cooling. He let you out to play. That's my next door neighbor's dog. He is so cool. Has a chewing problem, but it's cold, nothing to chew on today. And I'm surprised it's not in the sunlight area. The sunlit. Icicles falling. Snow falling. It's actually pretty warm out here today. It kind of has to be warm in order for this rain to fall. The colder it is, the less chance of snow. If it's -5 degrees, it probably won't snow. It's too cold to do anything. You know what I mean? 33,492, baby. Dad's finna come outside. We finna go on this drive. Paris is still missing in action. Where you at, babe? Oh, I see you. There she go. I see a piece of her moving. Dad on his way outside right now. I'm gonna put all of this in this video, man, because I don't talk to y'all the way I used to, man. But all I gotta do is get a mount. I'm gonna get a new mount so we can do some E-way beatdowns. Do some auto stick mastery, excuse my lisp. Do some auto stick mastery. You know what I mean? Show y'all how to really get it in with the auto stick mode, man. That bitch stay in manual. Stay in sport mode. Yes, sir. We here. 35,000 miles. We almost there, baby. We got 1,500 to go. 1,600 to go. It's really like 1,550 or some shit like that. Nah, yeah, it's like 1,550. 33.4, because it's 33.5. No. What am I talking about? I'm doing math all wrong, man. We got a little ways to go, but I'm gonna holler at y'all for real, man. Next video coming up soon. Over and out. Later.
Ben Shine, you love it.
Look, there you go, fucking that shit up. Some things never change. Yeah.